Aloha, George Kuski here with Hawaii Living. We're here at a Waikiki condo, and the home inspector pointed out that we're missing the anti-tipping device. Let's check it out. So this unit was nicely redone, brand new kitchen, new flooring, and brand new appliances. And I'm going to demonstrate what an anti-tipping device will do. So I pulled out the range just a little bit to demonstrate what I'm going to show you here. If somebody were to open this, and if kids are playing around here, and if somebody were to step on it, what could happen is this range could possibly tip over. I'm pulling it, so you see how this whole unit could actually just topple over. So we fixed it. We found the anti-tipping bracket. It was in the bottom of the appliance in a plastic bag, and there it is. It's installed. We screwed it into the baseboard, and it's a simple metal bracket with an opening on the front there, with a slot, and the right back foot of the appliance, of this range, once we slide it back against the wall, then that foot will slide into the opening and lock in, because the bottom part of the foot is bigger than the opening. So I'm going to push the appliance back in to demonstrate how it works. So back flush against the wall, and if I were to pull the appliance, it is locked in. It will no longer tip over, and that is a good thing to have and an important item to have installed. That's the tip for the day. Thanks for watching. Mahalo and aloha.